What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Tomorrow night, we got an amazing fight coming up. We got my man David, the Mexican monster Benavidez, going up against Caleb Sweet Hands Plant. Strange name, but I like him. He's a good boxer. I like Benavidez. Both of these guys can't stand each other, so you know, wherever there's bad blood, there's going to be some action. There's no way this shit's going the distance, in my opinion. Although I will say Caleb Plant has improved a lot. I still don't see him winning this fight. Actually, I see him getting stopped in the second half. I think he will definitely make it to the second half of the fight. The odds makers got Benavidez at -365, and they got Plant at +285, which seems pretty accurate to me. The fact is, Benavidez hasn't faced the same level of opposition as Caleb Plant. Caleb Plant's definitely, on paper, he's got the better, experience, but Benavidez has the better record. It kind of adds up, though. It makes sense when you look at it. But I think that, Benavidez now has a great opportunity to prove that he belongs in the ring with Canelo. According to De La Hoya, that fight's never going to happen. But I think the fans will demand it if Benavidez can make a good statement. I think Caleb Plant is going to, if I was his coach, I would tell him, do not trade with him whatsoever. I saw his coach saying that he thinks that, he's got the firepower to trade with him if he had to. That's a suicide mission to me. I think the best thing he can do is stay on the bike, keep his jab popping, and pray to God he don't get caught with something heavy, and he'll make it to the finish line and maybe get the decision win. The thought of him stopping Benavidez, I don't think that's even possible. Benavidez is just too durable. I think Benavidez is going to cut the ring off at some point, put that pressure on him, and break him down. That's just personally how I see it. You tell me what you think in the comment section. Does Caleb Plant have a chance? I mean, I don't know. I don't see it happen. I think, again, as good of a fight, in my opinion, he's a very good boxer. And I think he'll give a lot of guys problems. But this is where we're going to find out, man. The only way I see him really winning is if Benavidez shows up having a really bad day and Caleb Plant's on, he's on fire. That's pretty much it. So anyway, that's my take on it. Again, tell me what you think in the comment section. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me on Instagram at @coach.v_. Till the next time, we up out of here. Ow.